Welcome students of standard 9. I hope you have watched the video of counting matter 1, the chapter, and also you have read chapter. Okay, I can believe that. So today I am starting with exercise. Okay, the exercise, important exercise. Most objectives are there. Okay, some explanation I have already explained. See, we'll go to questions one by one. First question, objective only. Even second objective. So I am explaining at a time. Give examples. Just you have to give examples. Side table is there, you can write positive radicals. Na plus, Mg2 plus. So many positive radicals given there. Basic radical, same you can continue. But you write different, positive. Okay. Composite radicals. Composite, one or more than one atoms. Sodium NH4, nitrogen and hydrogen. Okay. So 5 atoms are there. Plus S, sulfur and oxygen, SO4 2 minus. Understanding? Those such are composite. The metal with variable valency I have already explained. Cu and Fe. There are more metals, but still. Bivalent acidic radical. What is meant by bivalent is valency 2. Acidic means negative radicals. O2 minus, CO3 2 minus. Valency 2. 2 minus, 2 minus. Bivalent means trivalent basic radicals. Positive radical with valency 3 plus. Find out Al 3 plus, Cr 3 plus. Understood? Just from table you can write down. You can write many examples also. You have to learn more for odd man out over like these questions. Okay? Or choose whatever you have to learn all, because in the MCQs you may not find. Okay, then other answer will be there. Just don't learn only 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, learn more as much possible. Okay, fill up your brain. Write symbols and charge with radicals. Okay, second question. Mercury, Hg is the symbol. Okay, Hg plus mercurous, Hg2 plus mercury. You have seen variable valency. In example I didn't write, but it's okay. Potassium K, K plus. So potassium only. Nitrogen N, N3 minus is nitrite. Copper Cu, again double valency. Cu plus cuprous, Cu2 plus cupric. Lower valency Us. Higher valency E. Understood? Sulfur S2 minus sulfide. Carbon C, its carbonate radical CO3 2 minus. Chlorine Cl minus, its chloride. Oxygen O2 minus, its oxide radical. Understood? Still any doubt you find in different papers, you write in the comment box and I will answer. Okay, in my next videos. Sure. We'll go ahead with next question. Okay, 3. You have to deduce chemical formula from name. Okay, see from the table. Okay, sodium sulfate. Look at the table. Na plus 1 plus, so valency 1. SO4 2 minus, so 2 below. Cross here, 2 will go to Na, 1 for SO4. Na2 SO4 is the formula. Understood? Potassium nitrate. Okay. Look at the table. K, potassium K plus. You will find nitrate NO3 minus. 1 1 plus 1 minus 1. K NO3. Formula. Finish. Understood? You make more practice. Different. Find out. Okay. And make different compounds also. Using table. Okay. See. Ferric phosphate. Ferric, go to table Fe3 plus you will find APO4 3 minus 3 3 same. So when same are there, just make it 1 1. FePO4. Getting? Different numbers are there, you cross. Just make 1 1. Then no need to write. Calcium oxide. Calcium oxide Ca2 plus O2 minus 2 2. Again make 1 1. CaO. Same number. Aluminium hydroxide. Okay. Go to table. Al3 plus you will find aluminium. Hydroxide OH minus. OH1 minus 1. Al3 plus 3. Cross. 1 will go to Al, 3 will go to OH. So Al, OH thrice is the formula for aluminium hydroxide. Understood? Okay, about question 4. I have explained many things in last video. Just you have to revise that. See, question A, sodium is monovalent. I already explained. You go, the sodium electronic configuration is 281. So to have stable octet, it gives one electron and form 28 plus. 28 is Na plus ion. Understanding? So outermost configuration is 28. Octet state complete, but it becomes ion. But it gives one electron, so valence is 1. Monovalent means valency 1. Okay, B I have solved. M is bivalent metal. Bivalent means valency 2. 2 plus, 2 plus. Write its formula with sulfate and phosphate. Okay. Sulfate SO4 2 minus. Okay, then 2 will make 1 1. Cross. 1 will go to M, 1 will. So MSO4 is the formula. But for phosphate, M2 plus 2, PO4 3 minus, so 3. Cross, 3 will go to M, 2 will go to PO4, M3 PO4 twice. Answer. Understood? We had not solved in last video. Remaining I have solved in last video. See, need for reference atom for atomic mass. Yeah, it was very inconvenient. Atomic mass is 10 raised to minus 27 kg. Very difficult. Getting? So, hydrogen we took as 1. But after that, due to some problems, due to different isotopes that we will discuss later on, so carbon was taken as standard. And so 1/12 of carbon is taken as 1. And that is hydrogen. Unified atomic mass, that is U, Dalton explained. Mole, I already explained. 1 mole means molecular mass of a compound expressed in grams. And that is equal to how many particles? Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. 23 zeros on 6. So much. Okay? So refer to my last lecture. Write down, read book again. You will easily find. Even if not, write in the comment box. I will dictate in my next lecture. Okay? We'll go ahead. Question 5. Okay? See question 5, right? You have to write the name of compound given and deduce molecular mass. Here I am not doing all. I am just explaining you to. Okay? And you have to do it for homework. Okay? See, very simple it is. Na2SO4 given. Go to table. What is Na? Sodium. What is SO4? Sulfate. So Na2SO4 is sodium sulfate. Molecular mass, element. Na 2 atoms. S 1 atom, O 4 atoms. Right? Na2SO4. So Na atomic mass, make table like this. Na atomic mass is 23. Number of atoms 2. 23 into 2. Total 46 Na. Okay. S sulfur 32 atomic mass and sulfur only 1 atom. Okay. So 32 into 1 is 32. O is 16, but O 4 atoms 16, 4 atoms 16 4 plus 64. Just add all the masses. Sodium, sulfur, oxygen comes to 142. Oh, no unit. If you write 142 gram, then it is a 1 mole of sodium sulfate. Okay, so but only this is asked. Molecular mass only without unit. Okay. Second I am doing also K2CO3. So look at the table. What is K? Potassium. CO3 carbonate. Okay. So name is potassium carbonate. Okay. So we'll make same table. Element, atomic mass, number of atom, total. Element K. K 39, 2 atoms. 39 into 2 is 78. C is only 1. 12 into 1, 12. O 3 atoms. O is 16 into 3 is 48. 78 plus 12 plus 48. That comes to 138. Molecular mass. Understood? So these are also very simple. For homework, CO2. This is to solve in textbook, I think. MgCl2, magnesium chloride. Now Mg 1 atom, Cl chlorine 2 atoms. Just add. Atomic masses are given in the textbook. NaOH, Na1 atom, O1 atom, H1 atom. Very simple. AlPO4, Al1 atom, P1 atom, O4 atoms. NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. This is aluminum phosphate, sodium hydroxide. Na1 atom, H1 atom, carbon 1 atom, O3 atoms. Just add, find the answer. Understood? Do it. Okay? Okay, next 6 sum. I'll go to 6 sum, sum number 6C. Your 2 samples are provided, sample M and sample N. Sample M mass is 7 gram. Okay? In that oxygen is 2 gram, calcium is 5 gram. Okay, what we will do is we will take ratio. Calcium to oxygen 5:2 ratio. Okay. Second sample N, mass total 1.4 gram. Oxygen 0.4 gram, calcium 1 gram. So calcium to oxygen 1:0.4, but 10 upon 4 will cut, that is 5 upon 2. So calcium to oxygen is 5:2. So proportion in different samples, calcium to oxygen proportion is same. So this is the law of constant proportion. Understood? Since reason the ratio of calcium to oxygen in both the sample is constant. Understood? Easy sum? Any doubt, write in the comment box. You can write more in detail also. Okay? We'll go ahead. Question 7. Let's deduce the number of molecules. Okay, how to find number of molecules? Okay. So number of moles you have to first find out into Avogadro number. 1 mole Avogadro number molecules. So those many moles into. Understanding? 32 gram of oxygen. Find out O2 60 into 2, that is 32. So 1 mole of oxygen equal to 32 grams. Okay. So moles how many? 32 gram. 32 gram 1 mole. Okay. So number of molecules, number of moles into Avogadro number 1 into 6.02 into 10 raised to 23. This is the answer. Simple. It was 1 mole only. Okay. So 90 gram water. You have to find out. Okay. The way we found the molecular mass. That is 18. Actually, I have done in my video, my last video. Okay. But you show the calculation how you calculated molecular mass as 18. Number of moles is given mass upon molecular mass. So 90 upon 18, that comes to 5. 18 gram 1 mole. So 90 gram 5 mole. So number of molecules is equal to number of moles into Avogadro number. 5 into 6.02 into 10 raised to 23. Multiply 30.11 into 10 raised to 23. You can leave like this or just shift 1 point. Give it to 23, 3.011 into 10 raised to 24. Understood? 8.8 gram of carbon dioxide. Find out first moles, mass upon molecular mass. Given mass 8.8, molecular mass carbon dioxide find out. I have given for homework. 44. So 1 upon 5, that is 0.2 answer. So number of molecules is moles into Avogadro number. 0.2 into Avogadro number comes to 1.2044 into 10 raised to 23 answer. Understood? 7.1 gram chlorine. Again find out moles. Mass upon molecular mass 7.1 upon 35.5 is 1 upon 5. Okay. So number of molecules is number of moles into Avogadro number. 1 upon 5 into Avogadro number. Cutting 1.204 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Answer. Understood? See again, watch properly. Any doubt you write, solve more sums. Later on I am going to take more practice on that. Okay, before exam. We'll go ahead. The last sum, the question is question number 8, last question. 0.2 mole is how many? In the grams of what? Here given first molecule is sodium chloride, NaCl. Find the molecular mass of NaCl. NaCl 11 23 35.5 11 23 35.5 58.5. This formula mass in gram is moles into molecular mass. Number of moles 0.2 for all. Molecular mass 58.5 and 11.7 gram. Understood? Second, magnesium oxide formula MgO. From table, find out from table. What is my element Mg1O1? Okay. Because 2, 2, 1, 1. So it is. Atomic mass Mg24, O16. Number of atoms 1, 1. 24 into 1, 24. 16 into 1, 16. 24 plus 16 is 40. Mass in gram is moles into molecular mass. 0.2 into 40, 8 gram. Understood? Calcium carbonate. Find calcium carbonate. 2, 2. So 1, 1. CaCO3. Okay. CaC and O3. Ca40, C12, O16 into 3, 48. 40 into 1, 40, 12 into 1, 12, 16 into 3, 48. Addition 100. Mass in gram is moles into molecular mass 0.2 into 100. 0.2 only for all. That is 20 gram. Answer. Understood? See properly. Okay. Any doubt, write in the comment box. We will solve more sums before exam. Don't worry. Okay. But first, if you like this, give like. Write something in the comment box. How can I communicate with you? Okay. How can I understand whether you are understood or not? Okay. I want some response from you. And subscribe my channel. Share my videos. Okay. Tell your friends to subscribe, and if you find difficult, okay, you can join my online tuition, even one-to-one, okay, where we can discuss in detail, full portion I will complete, will give you more practice, okay. So, see you in the next video, bye.